It's time for a fiesta. And we have tonight a fountain demo. I haven't done one in a while. From TNT! And we're going to call this one the Pinata Buster. Oh yeah, you gotta have a pinata. If you guys don't know what a pinata is, go check it out on Google, right? These are awesome down here in the Southwest. I mean, we've taken a stick to all kinds of different shapes and sizes. We even beat the crap out of SpongeBob one time. But we get candy, it falls, kids have a good time and a party. So let's come down here. Let's take a look, see what we got. Emit showers of sparks. There it is. Here it comes. You guys want to say it with me? I love when you guys do it on your YouTube videos. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Light fuse and get away! Alright, so we got Pinata Buster. Let's take it to the launch pad. It's a single tube. Let's see what this can do for you. Be right back. Yeah. Alright, well, we made it to the launch pad. We're ready for this TNT Pinata Buster. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's a single tube. They don't weigh a lot. Sometimes they pack a punch. We'll find out. Oh! Pinata! Pinata! Ah, Pyro air. Oh, I like that. That is a safe and sane fountain forever. It was quiet. It was beautiful. And it's smoking. Yeah! Barbecue!